If you're looking for a professional-grade laptop that can handle everything from productivity to entertainment, the ASUS Vivobook 17.3 is a smart pick. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price. It's designed for users who need top-tier performance without sacrificing portability or style. Whether you're editing videos, handling demanding software, or simply juggling multiple browser tabs, this laptop delivers smooth, lag-free performance. At the heart of the Vivobook F1704 is a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U processor, boasting 10 cores and 12 threads. With clock speeds up to 5.0 GHz, it brings incredible processing power to everything from daily tasks to more intensive workloads. Combined with Intel UHD graphics, it ensures crisp visuals and smooth rendering, whether you're watching full HD videos or working in content creation. The generous 40 GB of high-bandwidth RAM makes multitasking seamless. You can switch between dozens of tabs, apps, and projects without a hiccup. Plus, the 1 TB PCIe SSD not only gives you ample space for your files, games, and media, it also ensures lightning-fast boot times and file transfers. You won't be stuck waiting on slow load times. The 17.3-inch Full HD display delivers a wide, immersive viewing experience with vivid colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, attending virtual meetings, or working on documents, everything looks clear and bright. The backlit keyboard with a dedicated numeric keypad ensures comfortable typing even in low-light environments, while the integrated privacy camera offers added peace of mind. Connectivity is also well covered. With USB-C, USB-A ports, HDMI, and a combo audio jack, you'll have no problem connecting peripherals or extending your display setup. It also supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections wherever you go. To keep things cool and efficient, this bundle includes a PCO notebook folding radiator, a portable laptop cooler that helps manage thermals during heavy use. It's a thoughtful addition, especially useful for long working or gaming sessions. Packed with Windows 11 Home, the laptop gives you a refined and intuitive user experience, enhanced performance, and compatibility with Android apps. It's built to meet the needs of modern users looking for both power and reliability in one device. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.